Hello, boys and girls. Today we are learning about capitalizing titles. So the first thing when you open your slides is go ahead and put in present mode just so it's easier for you to read. When you do write in certain slides, you'll have to press escape on your keyboard or exit out of present mode. Otherwise, you can't type in the slides. But it is nicer to read when it's nice and big, isn't it? So I'm going to go ahead and put it in present mode. Okay, so we're capitalizing titles today. Capitalize appropriate words in book titles. Here are some popular books and book titles that we can study. So the first one says A Wrinkle in Time, and the second one is The Ravenstone, The Secret of Ninham Mountain. Okay, on this next slide it says capitalize appropriate words in book titles. What do we notice about these titles? Study the titles and type one sentence in the red box about what you notice about the words in the titles of the book. So go ahead and examine these titles. What do you notice about the two titles? And again, remember you can't type in here unless you either press escape on your keyboard or this exit key right here. And then you'll come in here and you'll type one sentence. What do you notice about these titles? Okay, I'm going to go back into present mode. And here you can reference this sheet at any time to help you with answering any of the slides from that we will continue on with here in just a moment. So just like other topics in the English language, there are rules to remember. Here are the most common rules to learn when deciding which words to capitalize. Number one, capitalize the first word in the title. Always capitalize the first word, guys, just like capitalizing the first letter of a sentence, okay? Number two, capitalize all proper nouns. Number three, capitalize the first and last word in a title regardless of the parts of speech. Okay, it doesn't matter what type of part of speech it is. Is it a verb? Is it a noun? Is it an adjective? Number four, capitalize all nouns. Boy, example, boy, desk, country. All pronouns, example, he, you, it. All verbs, example, walk, think, breathe. All adjectives, examples, happy, hot, red. All adverbs, examples, quickly, immediately, gently. And all subordinating conjunctions, as, because, although. Those aren't just a few examples for each of those parts of speech. That's not all of them, obviously. Number five, capitalize all words that are 5 letters or longer, regardless of the part of speech. Okay, remember a lot of times I say don't capitalize the filler words because they're those little tiny words, right? If they're 5 letters or longer, we're capitalizing it. Number 6, lowercase the word to. Number 7, lowercase all articles such as a and the. All prepositions such as to, at, in, with. And all coordinating conjunctions like and, but, or. Remember boas? Number 8, if the title contains parentheses, all of the same rules apply except you do not capitalize the first and last word within the parentheses unless the parentheses actually appear at the beginning or end of the book title. All right, and you guys can come back to reference this at any point in time while you're working on the next slides. So this slide here is like a practice slide. It says the following test cards will help us practice many of the rules we've learned. All of the book titles used in this section are real books that have been written by famous authors. The following is an example. It says, which book title is written correctly? Type your answer A, B, C, or D in the box. A, B, C, and D all say Diary of a Wimpy Kid. However, B is the only correct answer. If you'll notice, both words of and A are not capitalized. In answer choice A, diary is not capitalized and it should be, and also the word A is capitalized and it should not be. In answer choice C, again, A is capitalized and should not be. And in answer choice D, of and A are both capitalized and should not be. Now, I see here we have our answer choice written a lowercase letter. If you could just put your answer choices in as a capital letter, so just turn the cap locks on when you're answering these next slides. And here you go. Here are the slides you're answering. Remember, again, you cannot answer them when you're in present mode. So you either exit or press escape on your keyboard. And you will answer slides 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then you have some more practice here. We're actually going to be typing the titles of the books correctly. It says on the next slides, you get to type the title correctly. The book title will have all lowercase letters. Your job is to type the title correctly. There will be a clip art illustration of the book. All of the following examples are fictional books. Okay, so here you go. This is what they look like. You must do slide 12, 13, and 14. Slide 15 is optional. Okay, you guys are going to be great. Make sure when you're done and you filled it all out that you click the submit button. All right, good luck. You guys will do great. Bye.